Adom 106.3 FM. The Munyana says Simon Makwa Fabɛwɔso mrena song. And you may quite buy a DBS roofing sheet, Pan-African Savings and Loans, Vita Milk, Greenfield Scientific Herbal, and a Franco Trading Enterprise. And I said the Medicare can you stories me no and I share the home come Bako Air Koso Metro Mass Transit Limited. Ghana buying a Juma. A Juma was a boa na transport home and some yeshani etimika asomai. Enra exclusive document adomonline.com ensa ekaye. Yejna so the story and is revealed. Metro Mass chases NDC Ablakwa Ayarega 5 minority members. That's minority MPs over debts owed it. And that's just a story neka say exclusive documents available to adomonline.com have revealed that the Metro Mass Transit Limited is on the heels of the NDC in the NDC as a party, and 7 of its members of parliament and NDC MPs and so for debts they owe the Metro Mass Transport Company. The leading opposition party and the MPs owe the MMT close to 1.5 million Ghana cedis in debt accruing from the hiring of buses. And the MPs in Soi and NDC and Kasa as a party are high buses from Metro Mass. Aboka eguho over almost 1.5 million Ghana cedis. Omu entry and 1.5 million Ghana cedis. En Kaneno, about 15 billion old cedis. A kawa story you must say, a letter written to the Speaker of Parliament by the Managing Director of the MMT, Albert Edubuahin, in respect of the 7 MPs said, and where a letter, Metro Mass and Kazadekoma, Speaker of Parliament. A kase, quote, apart from Honorable Clement Apak, who cleared his indebtedness, the rest of the honorables have failed or refused to pay. Ain't na Honorable Clement Apak and so I think Belsa South MP. Na ononso deka bawatria ne de 7 MPs na aka ne de omoma yo madwen so omuntua. Na 7 MPs no eye hwan mo. Honorable Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa, Honorable ABA Fusaini, Honorable Mahama Ayarega, Honorable Amidu Suleiman, Honorable Alhaji Tanko, Honorable Cletus Avoka, and Honorable Ras Mubarak. Honorable Ras Mubarak. That's a OSHA document Adom online ensa ekaya. Obia ka ode ewo. Inti Honorable ABA Fusaini, for example, at the Metro Mass 21,520 Ghana cedis in Kaneno 210 million. Honorable Alhaji Tanko at the car 5,650. There's an in Kaneno bear 56 million. Honorable Amidu Suleimana at the Metro Mass 14,720. 14,720. That's the income no be 140 million. Honorable Cletus Avoka, only the na ase sha wo mu ha o, because onono edeka 1,149. Honorable Cletus Avoka de enono. Honorable Mahama Yarega edeka 168,831. Oi, 168,000. And then can be 1.6 billion. Honorable Ras Mubarak at the car 5,152. Honorable Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa at the car 10,800. 10,800. That's about 100 million. And that's 100.8 million. Sikada denim. 10,800. In the MPs in Sono Moyan Wache, but Clement Apak Akutianeka. In the Insuya Akana one year, 1 year then. Won't try. But apart from that, and we share request for payment and let away 17th October 2018, Metro Mass, Etro Edicoma, Speaker of Parliament, not ye, the Metro Mass CEO Ekaye, or see, we refer to our earlier letter on the above matter dated 17th August 2018. In the August, no much will be called, and October, mo signed the reminder Ekoye. Now, in this letter, no more say, okay, into our quoted reference letter, in which we sought for your kind assistance in respect of the indebtedness of some honorable members of parliament to this company. We write to indicate that apart from Honorable Clement Park, who has cleared his indebtedness, the rest of the honorables have failed or refused to settle same. In this light, therefore, we continue to seek your intervention in this matter to require the said MPs to make good their indebtedness to the company. We have in the meantime written to the honorable members reminding them of our demands. We continue to count on your anticipated assistance, please. And no more attach a list, Edeka letter we want to come as speaker. Now, apart from MPs in Sui, one tria won sika no adofonom. Metro Mass and so SIH letter ni be the command this time to the NDC and Kasa. Ain't Adom online story nekase. In a related development, the Metro Mass Transit has in a letter dated August 17, 2018 and signed by the same Albert Edubuahin, written to the NDC's head office, attention former Deputy General Secretary Kofi Adams, alerting it of its refusal to pay 1.195.179 million Ghana cedis. Debt owed it. Now, a in portion of the letter, my main kind letter no, to the NDC, where you dated 17th August 2018. Now, or they call the National Democratic Congress, head office, Accra, attention, Mr. Kofi Adams, national organizer. At the time, na Kofi Adams, Edasu, national organizer. In the Akawa has a indebtedness to Metro Mass Transit Limited. I refer to various letters on the above matter from this company and the company's lawyers, copies of which are attached. In spite of these letters, you have persistently failed or refused to settle your indebtedness to this company. As a result of the above state of affairs and consultations with your party, we have resorted to dealing with individuals in your party's debtors list. In our records, attached, please find evidence of such communication. In view of this, your party's indebtedness to the company is now 1.195.179.92 million Ghana cedis. We therefore write once again to demand that you settle your indebtedness to the company, which now amounts to 1.195 million by 17 September 2018. Be cautioned accordingly. Anyway, Mr. Albert Edubuahin, ono ye acting MD, ewo Metro Mass, ena etrosa, letters ena makano, letter when 17th August 2018. Ain't on the 17th of October 2018 and so, almost I throw another letter, still to Kofi Adams. And almost I kawa has said, we refer to our earlier letter, and we know between August and September, not just after 2 months' time, almost I throw another letter view. And almost we refer to our letter dated 17th August, reminding you of your indebtedness to this company in the sum of 1.195 million. In spite of the above-mentioned letter, you have once again failed or refused to settle your indebtedness to this company. This letter is therefore to serve as a last reminder, warning to you to settle your indebtedness to the company within 14 days. Failure to do so would leave us with no alternative than to pursue all legitimate means to retrieve the debt from you. Again, be cautioned accordingly. We're 17th October 2019. In almost a year down, Shese Anka, Yebenya Metro Mass for Ashe, the latest, but so far producers not try say Yebenya wana ayede MPs nenso concerned they've all failed to speak to us except the case of Honorable Ayarega ono se onhu letter ni bi ba waka se oberefer case no to the lawyers say onensa eka letter yi ebia and when a response yenya from Honorable Ayarega all the other MPs they almost say nya de ombekasa for now Metro Mass for onso almost yenya won. Okay, and but that's the exclusive story Adom Online and Sa Etumi Aka. You can log on to adomonline.com. Now akwa kind story who details no a story and Saka. And because a border on the efficient running of a state agency. Because obia kwaje bases na se wentria eyasem. And the person share because we're 2018 letters from 2018 October our final letter ne call up until now a day na esi but I'm told by editor Adom Online say enya dia omotua and we can confidently say still an omuntia even almost 1 year down the line and it's sad because this is almost 15 billion old cities a car Sampanyifui and NDC as a party at the Metro Mass and 15 billion can do a lot for that company, a lot. 15 billion old cities and yeska ketwa. Ma memfa eno makase ye two very interesting stories. Second story nenso hey Ghana so the SMCCO. Okay. Victor Owusu Apraku ne ye hwan. Hey. Ora Victor Owusu Apraku akwa ba ite saying sir me ba to bra close and cast a good mic nim direct mama why
Roma
good me pe voice ne pa mood to come baby aboko there
hard but
na only police because my go to where statement awa Troy I suppose Edema police and ameboa
where extract
extract
I just said truck no
okay what happened? Who truck and a boy story name?
Me was building a real estate development company.
Okay.
And me handle with spare parts. So, and real estate development company no me talk tipper trucks too. The me company no. Na me fanya ejuma. Inti mabusi an for bakon ton we call Abutre Germany Honamete.
Okay.
Then we call back to Abutre. Me wa on na mabusia ni bi fa ba man diesel na ewumu no e no koton e.
Jim FM.
Nti me ba ye no. Na me suro say me jai last one na aka no de mama busianfo a.
On be say aton.
Meet East Legon.
Okay.
We call police station.
East Legon police station. Okay.
And I call and minimum be our me call desk no. And I call bisa monsieur. I say me what tipper truck me no. Back on me busi ani we are back on. Na akaba akon. As I say person me call back to Abuja.
To Germany.
Miss Romo say truck no betimi dey si wa mama ana. And almost say ai o betimi dey si ho. Na so mo de besi wa memfa key baako mfa ma o nti me de truck no call ho me call ye no and me de key no spare key no de ma o mo
o de ja police for no a particular officer bi and na o de ma no
right your friend Mr. Sechi and
okay
key no man
okay
timidi key no man na me call back to Abuja
and awuja ho call Germany okay
nti me wo wa na masoma be cousins ni bi no akọ truck no truck ni see was last year according to my cousins no back last time on truck no was 10th July 2018
10th July 2018 me ba so into the truck ne call ho year ben 2017 and
we call
2005 and what the track no 2005 and now koja track ne ma police for no and now who call Germany and from 2005 Ghana good and webusuani no e ka kire wo said the last time who track no was last year
yes
What it means is that from 2005 to 2018 na isi ho. Good.
Right.
Okay, Dwaso.
Me busi ani ne cars me buy and I'm sure me ko truck no back. Me call no na truck no insi compound police compound ho. Nti me woman bi wo ho e friend no Mr. Yaujan on a friend me. Me nimu no da. Na o ka kire me obisa me se dia na me hwe wo na me sure na me wo tipa truck bi si ha ba ma me be truck me buy no me wu truck no. Nti anka me eno no ka kire me si o me nkonko reporto fitters na omoye adwuma wo ho na
yeah
ena me ka kire ya ojan ne se ena me call police desk se me call reporto de ya ojan no kan ye no se fitters no me call reporto wo no ti me dru wo no man bi gina ho na general inspector na your friend Mr. Pamfred or desk no nche wo na ena Mr. Pamfred ka kire me se ma me reporto obia na me de me report say me truck me dia bro mo me buy some baby truck na almost truck na idea ayira na after that you know the second step no onu be bam nti me report to case no and almost the case no call commander Asare ho ye call commander Asare ho
Jim FM
Yaujan and a fat truck no nti ye frey Chief Inspector Yaujano from down the bar, Mr. Sario.
Na Yaujano nso wo East Legon Police ko bi. Na je say search na wo di key ni command no. On the one koto ne wo.
That be on the pension.
Oko pension. Okay. In the oba ye what me search na di nkomo.
That be.
In the wine na ma na je search no might have left
yes
property no to
truck no.
Okay.
Oko pension na truck no.
Truck ni isi ho.
Inti Yaujano ma me advice and call report to innocent people be. Inti me drew counter hona me se be call report no. And Chief Inspector no or friend Mr. Pamfred or stop me say ma men report to innocent people. Now me the men report to say me the truck abroad me ba be fa truck no eni ho. No krene wo mu no e be ba be died. Inti me report to we no. And you refer me call Commander Sario. The call Commander Sari Hono. And I'm Mr. Pamfred no can no crane woman said truck no. Nisi ho, Yaujan, inspector no, and a fat truck no. Into your friend say Yaujan no bar, Commander Sari office. Oba no, and a Commander Sari catch and say, my very porto case of say me truck and see omo compound or no, ubia wia. Inti ono Yaujan no. Chief Pamphlet said on a fat truck, no, so he is the first suspect. Indeed, Mr. Commander Sari can't actually on the first suspect. No. Osre Commander Sari say, Commander Sari man just 1 week. No one fat truck near the mra. 1 week in the soya, one fat truck, one fat truck number. Indeed, second is a share second.
But I don't know, Yaujan Nijitu Muse truck no. Ebedi ni ho na just na uki na uja na nso nyina won ho oje to mu
right
okay
Commander Sari anim
commander nanim okay ya ujane ye police ni
no
chief inspector wo East Legon okay
CID
okay
chief inspector
okay
nti o kan se o ko fat truck na ba nti ye man sometime and a Commander Sari man 1 week say won ko famra so no aso ko fa ba wa man 1 week no ko e de won ko famra 1 week no so ya one fat truck na ma
Jim FM.
No, and over for the second time. So mano 1 week view, one coffee truck and mra. Second time now, you share, you know. We will be Commander Sari will be Inspector, Chief Inspector, ye boa, no SWAT or SWAT will be. And I'm a cousin be a friend Ebenezer. You need perform and no confess this or the truck or coffee truck number. Second time, Nisi drew ya
one fat truck number.
And I'll buy for the 10th time. And your man 1 week. 10 times, your man 1 week, and Nisi drew ya 1 year. One farmer. So time is already no. Let me my petition. A ma. Let my petition. A ma. East Legon Police. Let my petition. A ma. East Legon Police say case, you know. Or Monfan call different police station. Mumfanko Omunfanko different police station now. Police station now case in the war.
Yeah.
Omunye neutral because omuna me de come omu and a truck no ira omu compound. Nti omunfa because of conflict of interest.
Nti angafa different police station.
Omampene. Nti omampene no me hwaya be 3 weeks. Omun can be and I made the case no go pips.
Yeah.
Wasalam down.
Yes.
And ye frere wo pips. Ye frere wo pips after the druwa yaw jana ono cancel ko fa truck na ba no. Was that he deny?
O deny wo ho. Say truck bia medi ni nsem.
Right. Wabra before then he was told say he's a suspect. For me truck na obi awi an amana confirm aka say okofa truck na ba. Ena one famma no echo people no deny na me ko hu divisional commander. Divisional commander nso kana mintia or say wonim say sa kasana me commander sorry ne ya ojan no tena wa also for truck number whether it's formal or informal. Na me can say formal because before say obebuena no he was told say he's a suspect in stealing of my truck.
Of your truck.
Before say walker say okofaba.
Me pa so DSP George Asare na oboni di no aye hwan
on the commander wo eho at that time
in 2005.
That be now
CCA ya uye case no. Okay, inti ono nanim na Yawjan ne beji tu mu se okwa akofa.
Right.
Okay. As we speak, no station commander wo East Legon.
Say no ma transfer no free up.
Okay.
In mile 7.
And the mile 7.
But okay. The friend will pips. And oba pips confirmed exactly the mimic.
The o kasi say. Ma me ni nkomo na memra DSP George Asare ewa homane so. DSP yemo akwa aba Dwaso Nsem so ni wa Adom FM.
Yenya.
Me ba cho wapo mu ye.
Nyame adumo.
Good. Minim say where to me utie de ye kan ya but Ora Victor Owusu Apreku unim no.
Me pa cho anim no.
Great. Wa my narration be ewa ha about ne track out de babija East Legon Police in 2005 or the Safuani Bibiama one Papa na uzu dija no 2005 near friend is a Sechi, right? Sechi. And now no two kwai koye 2018 and an abusuani be friend said the last time who track no East Legon was in June 2018. If you who be onwa bagana or ya akwaya buachi bidin ne bas no ya ujan so kofa ba on fama yes ya ujan ne be confirm o wenim se obekwa kofa bas na ba sana story ni say me pacho
ani
ya ujan ne be jitu mu se onim be bia track ne wo
o se nkofo na wode ka ne ma o mo no o ko no akohwehwe aba asem bia branche ne kai ne no kredit
oh wow ultimate no good and the ama adwuma no cry emre enti no na je say ukoye head and as a commander e wo East Legon Police no na car no e wo ho right
oh dabi ne ni ho me call no the omo patch ni say answer East Legon Police Station no a dino emienu ba ja utie
me pa cho metie opa
e da se pa Police Station East Legon Police Station a dino emienu kitwa ba ko woni edentia na abunsan ba ko so na dentia no mo start Police Station no by 2005 Eti Police Station no 2005 ABC no oni ya ujan no our Chief Inspector of District CID East Legon no wa ABC ne enti no and the ban say commander na ono tumi nim penifo executive fitness club no ye nkutahudie and true that no executive members no bitumi be this is
almost new police station no okay.
New police station now almost no answer na basis police station no na car no nesi ho
okay
car dia beja according to information me na me ho me last year na me call Omudi beja station officer na no send na make say abranti na sem na o ka kire mu no nyina no eye no kure no omudi beja no all kono instead so be hand over na wodi amma station officer no one hand over
eye why eko
sa chief inspector Jan or inspector search no
eko no okay
search na no ye first station officer what is legal no
ono nso na papa so odi ne key ne share ne nsa no
aha o say is legal no beginning no na station under Legon district
okay
inti omo create district no out of Legon district as a station no and omo elevate no to the status of a district inti samre no before so omo ba be ye district nyina no na section no wo aircon one handy over meeting will be ama station officer na or no as he ought to have done ena odija ya ujan to odija ya ujan no na eba emri bi drew say ombesi sa police station no e wo ba bi abronsan ni sisi ano ehon ne na car ni si so we is Legon police station anymore what we say dua kase bi esi ho edua na si won ne car ni si na ebe ha adwen wo adwuma na no mu edan na ombesi no na so mu tu car no di fi ho na nye no nko an car ni si ho enti omu ma omu to cars ni nyina de entumintu eni de betumatu na odi ni nyina fi ho e ko ba bi foforo sa bli nyina me de na me ni ho de mate na America enti no there's nothing on record indicating say Kabisa Abeja is Legon police. Any handing over note to be police so there. Okwa, you take over all assets and liabilities. Adibia obia no say who say ye hand you over no wahwe ni ye enko ye no wa ni ye. Eno nim ti da committee wa na me de me kote say abranti bi aba ho no se na ne car ho na car no ayira every police station or the beja police na me say any station of Samray station of Sabaya ne nchire mu ene de maka no se ono de obi amfa ka enya no na emum no tama omu besi police station no ono ka ho ena omu yi sa cars ni nyina atu na omu nya baby fence omu bi ko si Twitter for bi asase bi wo police station opposite ho Twitter for na omu di ko si ho ene no nko e bi ka ho enti no omu di ko si ho no dako oho ena obi efre ne se nkofo bi aba Twitter for no baako no dey o was sorry also na obi se car no police chief inspector bi aton aman nto obefa eno say ma minister nipa no nkfafo no ma memra o twen me na memra eno no chief inspector Charles Pamfred asisi am no ka se on a station officer ewo East Legon ofre no a asema obeka ene de meka ensonsunu ye bi amem. And I'm happy I'm on record. Asem no credit yen to sebi. Enti wo call ho no. Na o catch am say nipa na so o ton car na mam no. Mo friend na me ne nkasa. Onene o friend nipa onene kakasa ya ojan. Chief inspector ya ojan. Hey, ya una kai wo ton. Na towing fee kranu pono untumi entua mam omo mfa to infi mam ko na me to bai ko minim ho asem sa enti enye se car ni wura bai ya obekan ya na ke sa car no ho asem de chief inspector Pamfred sene ya minim ho hwe no na ono nso nim ho asem so omo de omo nyina nim se car no ebi a ya ojan ne dia ko se ko fo to mi ba o omo so mbeto car no ba kokra no police ni bi ho ni wo fa bi beto car no o tro letter e de call your friend saying DVL se car no enya accident no mo abandon ye nti on person mo hwe no mu car no niwura car o mo dia be ya ujan na sha won sawo no of on beto no se no fa no takwa also nti ye ko friend saying ye koji document because ya ujan ye friend no purchase a car akwa no ni document o car no so it ye fast echo DVLA the echo ye no the ball letter come on friend say o the way my car ni documents ni nsa kan o DVLA o
and car we ni ye track aye kan ho asemi
track ya ye kan ho asemi
good
okunya ni echo no file no car ni file no now there is a letter from corporate B or East Legon I think I chem also one uncle say assign what the former district commander na no and sign ameba no what did din as aye letter and or no corporate no what to me assign say opesu who can on can honsem yedwuma you can't do that to me o sabi o commander wo hu ye won two kwan so no okra wo chief inspector ho ana wo crime officer ho but obo letter no call e bia na me ne kwa bia o person hu the ewom but me dey me taking on say you cannot do that but fofi and twata and na me dey me di free ho
no free
come o dey and come take action against him because you can't do that gross misconduct won't mean so letter and find code different department or as a police corporal o penny o commander o do commander din so na ye letterhead no anyway mama fa no enso ho ya ujan
me about to get some clarity because me will letter be ewaha June 14th 2018 and it's to the Director Driver Vehicle and Licensing Authority. Because the mehu waha a request for information and particulars of M Benz with registration number GR370U. I say the East Legon Police is investigating a case of causing damage involving M Benz truck with registration number GR370U. Kindly furnish this office with the information and particulars of the above mentioned vehicle to enable police carry on with its investigation, counting on your usual cooperation. But when it's signed for, there's a Nipana sign for
the commander,
for the district commander, Mr. Cephas Arthur.
Yes.
And not just any Cephas Arthur and Kasa the letter way.
Debbie.
Hey.
Necessary Cephas mean to me or a penny mean to me Kanasan.
Yeah.
Or a chief superintendent.
Yeah.
Or a penny no not somebody. And no and the mimicka. But Kualana no shemasino. The catch and say, sa letter now shown a false letter.
Yeah. Yeah.
DBL a state institution. To me, there's nothing on record, in as far as I'm concerned, on the records of the districts are concerned. There's nothing like that. Say, your case you investigate.
Oh, okay. And not just what was the intention behind not let away no or they could DVL the akwaje den.
New of a person or talk no, and I made the station officer invite him to my office. Si ochiremu send onu of an a person or toilet no.
Or talk no. Ya uja no chiremu sa.
There be sa corpora na or CID. Okay. So what I say?
Yes.
I yes a wo pese wo of a person or talk wo ye police station. Sorry, ye police ni. Na KBC police station. Hono person or eno wo of anaba na wako hu ya ujan. To ko hu ya ujan na omudi anu no. Eno ono no ka che ne of an se oye due diligence. The due diligence no wan ye ni in your due diligence, I won't throw counsel.
Oh, okay.
It is wrong.
Okay.
You need to make your due diligence on throw counsel.
Okay.
As I say, and one can say personally, no an inquiry. Now, would the office in the Dean can trust say, ya be a case we investigate who is the complainant.
Oh, in the honor misconduct, no.
What I say?
Yes.
Yeah, records, there's nothing indicating say case be or investigate. Why let her be so quiet? Let her be a police station be a baby and we keep copy on the file. You need BBS anything like that on our file. No, I are now the call. But I don't know the Fufi and Tuata, maybe see.
Yes. And see, back to the
substantive issue.
Substantive issue. Into Yaujan no ebejitu muse car no ewa hefa.
And na midi can say asembia branti na kano no kre. Na hono mempese meko details kase. Ade kontia mempese meko details kase ne say assembly by no me ye bibia official. And I'm to refer for investigation. Now, answer na police, would the report be bet me a call and penny for a dear beer personnel here, uncle, and so we investigate. Because on no so no way, Kano or Sia, into your nimini power we are into no as I say, investigation. Want to move on, cause Yaujan car. And here, me refer case in my one sergeant or so, policewoman sergeant, CID, Anita. What did you statement if you more? Now, assemblyman be so or yao jang a man called for the far car and a call, you know. Send your demand on the minim sort on 1 city, 2 cities, and on one country. Me. Name woman no confirmation or confession or me. Wanye no min kwame oye no chief inspector pamphlet or anybody be or Charles Frank Nyako MTU station of Omina, they were all there. Me your friend is saying me all the room chief inspector. Me bibia me yibia me pardon say. Because min town na obi enkofana sem on fameshe me. Ya wo me wi ade da. Police ni de Sebio and call for to make a cast police in a bribe. Name moment is a police in a book chrono. Aha. It is a police in a book chrono. I said, oh, I'm like, in the content, Obia on your police in Korea, they are. Yeah. Who supposed in this movie? You don't fast aquarius for Pepe.
The confession now can was some confess say. Why then say what ton car no and also ni be a car ne wo
si asem kakra ya ujan confront chief inspector Charles Pamphlet station officer no OCCA or confront ne say adinti e na wo ton car no na mi toyin fee me na mi to car ne fee ho ma kwan beda ho no ye adwuma no police station Adom sign no see no omu enya kwan no maye one first me towing fi amame senya be ya wonu ya uja says not an hu say wonu ya uja na gisika no wo disika soma assembly man na osan presiding member e was West Wokon constituency sorry I was West Municipal Assembly presiding member I was assembly man wo electoral area na police station woman. One now this got 3 million at the man no say on fan command station officer. Or friend about police station ho. Ya ujan police station after assembly man ba police station ho. And now the 3 million the man your friend is saying assembly man say on fan command station officer. Now okwa mo on cassette you want on the man, and yes, I'll be say, Wajiscan Uji,
Metiopa.
Assembly man, can't state to me, as soon as CID need that.
Jim FM.
Intino, Bibi say no evidence in Seno. Aquani can't ask someone, and I'm so we are sure, saying, I want I'm fair, CID ni so omra asema waka no nchro you should put it into writing no sign send be ya wo chena nipa de onye adekonti a emotia esuro nipa na nipa ben na no ko nwura mu mbo eni se nipa nka no kore enam se nipa nka no kore timotres nipa enti se sa nipa tie dia o kan sa asem no a send be ya on sisana no ena me ma no choye or true ya me didn't come and it's on the statement in a class and son I'm refer for investigation and I'm the MSCID tinina wo mo so na seminar could do pips
could do pips
I could do pips me call ye they make bibi umbia in sembi wo de and me nka in sembi wo and me call pips for no wa on which me aka because the outcome of the investigation is being awaited.
Okay, and this is here no the was here and this is trying the outcome of PIP's investigations.
That's right. Into details pa ne de mentumi ko ono a oto ono no ani they see or PIP's ono oto
ono ka Osei ya ojan ne ba be deny bibia
ono obedinai ema kamikura mi bu yef because yes or begin and sign or confess say asema ba ebia na unim se enipa no ebia wonya maaye ana se ebia we bia nipa na wu it can be anything asem na aba yenhwe ne emfa kwan bi so a ebetumi ama problem bi ama so ati ase tin o deny until later na o be confess no eno o ka se o be ko akohwe aba your friend is saying penny back on a war. Your friend is saying inspection unit. Subtenant Yabwa. Subtenant Yabwa. About 2 times. My time also walk over Gaba. Yeah, and the first one, I think 1 week or 2. Your man, time I best 1 month. 1 month. Yes, nothing in no. Oh, your man, Mary. Then I need a biba, then I need that some pips what they make a kind. A bon team into Minka. Sabi, yes, ye did you and Cassanwe. And you're sending in and meet me at the Atuga. So what I say, but I'll call pips all there. Massing beyond make a cano.
Oko cow,
like a cow.
Open ye the best see na Sadia Waka, and I was say, yen and I share PIP's investigation, baby, a quacosi. Now, I say, a normal practice, and me wa property bi na bia me tu kwan a metimi de beja police station
me a de police station de bibi haubi na bia me fidie ni me ko ba bia obi be wi a me suro so obi be fa na bia odi abesi wa the property is records and records ba so as I said, records bound. Now, want to mean, yeah, some agency on a record in your what I say,
yeah,
the record new or China assemble one or anything. Say records one. Let's just say police in some station officer and commander and penny for be other men. I said, your police station, I can't see Habibre. So,
yes,
if you are crying, be a way, you are. O commander bia na ka se bia o yeduma wa o ya transfer ne ko baby e bia no mpese o de car ne beko car ne sia yenim so yenim no ye hweso se ne be ya obi mewi anko obi bewi akọ a ebe han because me beto ye de ma beto e na me ka ho asem ba ma beto no maka se eye police ni dia ene mehu e se me ma mani ko ho ba we die ma nko to car no ho
yeah
car no o mayi efio I saw the police station so the ho any the hand over ma
and
no na wo ho asamka ana obetima hweso na the any ho de
apart from Zana car in see hono there was nothing on record and so I just will be the car be see
nothing on record.
Okay, and I just say Mr. Sechina or J car in 2005 EG key no on na maybe one yen juma because that was anka or document me boa
so documenting na say one document here yes ponko abodama ni ura so modam se ponko abodama ni ura modam wo ya ujan no wo ye CID ni what na easily go ho 15 years or 14 years what I say we na we CID and na wo bi di ade we ye jawa onjuro bibi onjuro bibi so ahwede asi so me say ho ne de me nka me de ho no bete na emomu no enya sama ye da kokoam an investigation so a me start here no eno so fofi anto ata na me free
ho na wo di free ho
me di free ho no inti no no so no de kosi ye me free wotimi timi nka inti commander na ho no as commander no obetimi aka bibi a kire mo de kosi ye
okay
what I say
and I think that
me call ho no na o me de letter bi ba ya na me pani ano ho ansa na me call ono na sesi wo yi ano but nam so ye na adwuma ye bia record so no bitimi refer ye na me hu de o na beside de o ye case no okay bibi kire me bigina de o kan no so as the show report e de call ye asem ama so what I say anyway so no ma start my initiating investigation commander there who take over all assets and liabilities on ka say me de na meni ho but the record won ho there you should be able to speak to it so record ni ho there ene no obetima ka say na meni ho
DSP George Asare, my memfa we ntwem say nipa de wuntimi nye nipa ni, but I think you are a very honest police officer. My nurse, keep it up. Why?
Yeah,
that's pa. Dwaso Nsem Suni wa Adom 106.3 FM Fabɛwɔso ɛna yɛde bremi. Opanyin Victor Usu Apraku, wetie DSP George Asare. And it is obvious I was say a train PEPs investigations in the beba. You are prepared to wait, meboa. On train investigations, no. In the Uber, then me brought closer to speak. Yeah.
Me amasem.
Yeah.
Me amasaye. Me anamisaye investigator. Me anamisaye judge. Emfaminko babia. That's the first point.
Okay.
Second point, you know. Your friends, I'm the Juma. Every day, piano, I truck in here, Juma, me book 5,000 Ghana cities, new cities, you know, a day, tipper truck. It is so be we have a truck for over a year now. She bears a pilot. I you know me my for safekeeping. Farm mom will say Omunya. And a secondly, so truck, no. Mr. Sarah now me could Mr.
Sechi
na me ko hia no desk na me de man no man famma onwa personally say won fancy won mame ba me de ma Republic of Ghana so won fancy
is there documentation to prove that?
So they are not disputing it say man fa truck bi am fam if they are disputing and there is a different case altogether inti so me de command ni pa ko na me de command what desk no he is not at stake.
Yes,
because we hear Republic
of Ghana. Okay.
He's dealing in the interest of Republic of Ghana.
Okay.
So yeah, for me, the entire me call desk, Ghana was my trustee.
Yeah.
But not the individual there.
Okay. So now what's the line of action opposite will take? Go person where then also one chain my PIPS investigations name obey then.
Abi, you say mean to me use force.
Okay.
Mean to me use
okay.
Force. But for me personally, the mean about this issue, I don't know. The Ghana police, if they have morals, because Manfan Komo say, Obi Inyadian, Omonchaso. Okay? Now, police need Cromford, I mean, Tibida.
No, for now, there's someone to me as a police need Cromford. Investigations.
So far as I want confess, woman name before 3 people. For me, he's the one because he was told, say, me mabe report to say me tipper truck ira into he's the suspect and our conference so kofa but dia you know the man he said say he give it out what else or no and the man out and me be say paper ben put the money pano papers ben wajia to was say in case there's a trouble ubiti me approve say
Jim
I'm saying uko DHL now uko package e cost even $100 you have to prove with a passport copy to prove say who and we are the rightful owner. The money. Who the trucker and then the taxes over 105,000 euro. Now we need documentation or what? Then you are the thief.
But at least from the DSP George Asare Aka on phone CCR corroborating your story, you should at least be confident that there are some very good police officers out there who are prepared to do everything possible. Say obi oye vulnerable and be kwa asem no obenya justice out here, and this man has exhibited that this morning.
No, they all can. I don't dispute it. But almost speed now, what they call I drive faster.
Okay.
Than almost speed.
I say slow.
Right, because one thing I was always a promo had interest here very hard.
Yeah.
It is a UBB could do because say $905,000 euro value. They did more than a year, no more due 25%. They could do 2 years, 3 years. Are you not hanging on your
neck? For 2005, I was starting at the car. You know, utria fee be to the police. When tria he.
Dabi, omo ka kire me se me ba na me be gia. Ansana.
Oma calculate bibi ama watua. Oh.
Sana omo ka kire me.
Okay. I get you now. Mamina say yem raining tea. But this is a running story. We'll come back to this story. Yeah, that's a papa for coming out to speak. Your documents ni be ewa and you would follow up. And if anything we'll get in touch with you. No. Why? Mr. Victor Uswapre. Say unyang call back to Germany.
Say
you've come
forever.
Say the wa ba unko bio.
Ma kwa bia 1 week.
Na wakwaje wa home kakra no wasen aba. But for 13 years I know we jaka no wa ha no. You still thought say obeba na bibia ye intact.
Say me the police phone di say me ngin this police me truck be 10 wheel tipper truck. Industrial truck.
A 10 wheel.
10 wheel. Say be rasa. That be a small car there maybe, but a 10 wheel industrial truck.
Running story. We'll come back to this story.
14 cubic bucket on it.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, but see, back to the story. Dwaso Nsem Fabɛwɔso ɛna yɛde ɛbrɛ mu intima yɛna yɛaboafoɔ no ase DBS roofing sheets, Pan African Savings and Loans, Vitamilk, Greenfield Scientific Herbal, and a Franco Trade